This is an example of dividing one complex number by another complex number. 5 plus 3i divided by 2 plus I. And the key step is to multiply top and bottom by 2 minus I. There'll be a bit of explanation about that later. But for the moment, let's just multiply the denominators by the difference of two squares. That's 2 squared minus I squared. And then if we multiply the tops, we're going to get 10 minus 5i plus 6i, and then minus 3i squared. So we're going to simplify that a bit further, remembering that I squared is minus 1. The bottom is going to be 4 minus minus 1, in other words 5. Then on the top, this minus 3i squared means plus 3. So the real bit is going to be 10 plus 3, which is 13. The imaginary part is plus I. And so now we've got to get it in the correct form required by the question. A plus B times I. That's the answer. If you're not sure about why we did what we did, compare these two things. At AS level, you'd have been given something like this, where the denominator of that first fraction has an irrational bit in it, so we have to rationalize the denominator. We multiply by 2 minus root 2, top and bottom. That works because of the difference of two squares, and it's exactly the same thing here, except now we're multiplying by 2 minus I. And as you saw on the last screen, difference of two squares will make the denominator real. The top one's called rationalizing the denominator, the bottom one's called realizing the denominator.